As you may have known, when was my first operation? I think it was October. My first operation because of the kidney stones. So the first operation is endoscopy. I forgot what it's called. So basically, what they did, they put a tube inside my urethra. Good morning. We decided to do some yoga today. Gonna try some meditation by the pool. Let's see if many people will be joining today. It's a beautiful day. Good sun. Good weather. Happy day.
And my friend, he worked at the Boundary Resort and Spa. And then for the manager front office. Trust, it's not good for your body if you like a small stretching. If you cannot small stretching, you can try. It cannot stop and then come back right.
1 hour later.
We just finished the yoga. How do you feel, Hubbee?
Oh, it feels good actually. Chad.
I feel so stretched. We're having our breakfast now. I think we have some nice bread and croissants. This is my favorite, the ones with chocolate. They only serve a la carte meals. These are the only items for buffet or things you can do on your own. Just some cereals over there and fruits here, yogurts there, and that's it. I think I'm gonna start ordering what's going to be my a la carte meal. Breakfast by the beach. So beautiful. What we're having, I'm having this pancake and then this full and proper, that's what they call, as egg, mushroom, bacon, sausage, tomato, I don't know what's that. Abby's having the same. I gave him my pork and beans because I don't like it.
Oh, it's so yummy. So good.
Then we will have is banana cake. So the a la carte portion is you're allowed to order 2 sets and the rest are unlimited. Not bad. And unlimited view of this stunning beach. Good morning. Abi, saan ka nag-struggle kanina sa yoga?
Wala.
Which part?
Ang
Na
flexible.
hindi mo na kaya.
Kaya ko lahat.
Nakita ko kita na isang one time yung nakabuka ka. Hindi mo maabot yung paa mo. Struggle ka doon.
Hindi ako nag-struggle.
So ikaw ay magaling.
Sabi nga natin, di ba?
Yung simula,
Hindi nga. Simula lang pa kami. Nag-ano lang ko noon siguro. Ay, yung shorts ko, hindi ko maano kasi kasapit. Lagi siya na-adjust. The next time dapat yung ano talaga.
yes.
Flexible ako.
Sang part.
Wow! In life. Lahat.
Ikaw na flexible. What are we going to do after this?
Swimming.
Where?
I don't know. I wanna go to the beach. And do some water sports.
Party. Alta. Alta life. How to be you. Po. Sarap yung food. Sarap nga.
Wow!
But you still have bread. You need to finish that.
No.
That's food waste. That's food waste. That's food waste. Stop wasting food, people. People have me. Okay.
That's included also the lunch.
So we decided to book a tour for tomorrow. So we're proceeding with the Angkong tour, and I'm really excited. It's going to be a fun day. Since tomorrow is our last full day here in Samui, so why not enjoy the area, enjoy the place. So we'll bring you there and we'll show you also the place. Senior time. Time to take medicines. The pool is so inviting. Maybe I'll take a dip or just hang around. So nice. I wanna share some story. Yeah, let me. As you may have known, when was my first operation? I think it was September, October. My first operation because of the kidney stones. So the first operation is endoscopy. I forgot what it's called. What? So basically, what they did, they put a tube inside my urethra. There are 2 stones in both my kidneys. The one on the left, it was easy for them to crash it, but the one on the right is still at the upper part near the kidney. They tried to reach it using that tool. They can't reach it, it's too high. So in short, the first operation was successful only on the left side. I scheduled for a second operation as per the recommendation of the doctor, this time for shockwave, because since the tool cannot reach the other stone, the bigger one, so they tried doing some shockwave. When the doctor was talking to me about the procedure, he did not guarantee that it will be 100% since it's too big and it's too high. The shockwave can only crash, I think, around 70 or 80%. So he told me that there will still be a few left. So of course, it's not something you like to hear, because you want it to get done so that, problem solved, and then you can just move on with your life and no more pain and no more suffering. But unfortunately, that's the situation. The second operation went well. Oh my God. The catheter on the first operation was traumatic. It was my first time to experience that. I don't want to experience that anymore. Of course, if you're aware or familiar with catheter, you know what I'm talking about, and you know how it feels. So I don't want to do it anymore if possible. So I'm glad on the second operation they didn't put any catheter. I was only at the hospital for overnight. The first operation I was there for 2 nights. So when I was thinking about it, I thought 20% of the stone left would not do much harm. So they kept the stent inside my urethra, so it helps to aid the urine in my kidney to flow down. So I thought I'll be fine, I'll be normal, I'll be okay, and I was for quite some time. But I do notice that I was still bleeding. When I pee, there's still some blood. The doctor said it's normal, so I thought, okay, this is normal, I should not panic. I think around January, because I noticed every time I walk, there was more blood in my pee, and it was not normal like the typical blood I see in my pee. So I started panicking again, like wondering what's wrong and what's happening. So I went back to the hospital. I did some tests. The doctor saw that my left kidney is improving, starting not to be swollen anymore. So that's good news. I was happy about that. Then he told me that the bleeding is normal because the stent is moving also. So it causes friction, it causes bleeding. So that has been the routine of my life. I've been running back and forth to the toilet because I keep on peeing. I think that's the side effect. It sucks, especially when you're at work. You're like having back-to-back meetings and then you have to run to the toilet. But I got used to it. And then it started to become painful and more bleeding. So psychologically, you're affected already. You kept on wondering what's happening, what's wrong, are you still okay? Is there any complication happening inside your body that you're not aware of? So you have all these thoughts. So more anxiety, more thinking, and it's not healthy. Until in just one snap, like that, I started feeling depressed. Felt so defeated. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go. Mine was just blank. Everything feels so dark. I think I was struggling with the death of my father.